Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Algorand price prediction and Algorand news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Algorand in 2022. Algorand is a blockchain-based self-sustaining decentralized network that supports a wide range of applications. These systems are secure, scalable, and efficient, with all the critical features required for real-world application performance. Algorand supports calculations that require strong performance guarantees to create new forms of trust. The main network, mainnet Algorand, was launched in June 2019, and as of December 2020, could process almost 1 million transactions per day. Who created Algorand? Silvio Micali is a professor of computer science at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the founder of Algorand. He received the Turing Award in 2012 for fundamental contributions to the theory and practice of secure two-way computing, electronic money, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain protocols. Thus, he is one of the first creators of cryptocurrency in the world. Relevant asset in modern portfolios. The major outrush has resulted in a drop of the total balance held on Coinbase to 649.5k BTC. This is the same level as seen at the 2017 bull market top. Coinbase's total Bitcoin balance has now declined by 375.5k BTC, 36.6%, from the all-time high, reached in April 2020. Over 251 MBTC still held by short-term holders. Coinbase is the largest exchange by BTC balance, and is very preferred by the US-based institutions. This supports the adoption of Bitcoin as a macro asset by larger institutions. The report further added the illiquid supply shock ratio, ISSR, shows a significant uptick this week, suggesting that these withdrawn coins have been moved into a wallet that has no history of spending. Glassnode indicates that this metric will trend higher as more coins move into such wallets, as the current market structure is similar to the 2018-20 bear market, albeit on a shorter time scale. However, Bitcoin has shown a persistent demand despite struggling prices. To evolve through multiple proposed regulations and geopolitical risks since the beginning of 2022. The trends suggest that it has affected the short-term Bitcoin, BTC, on-chain accumulation. A report by Glassnode, a blockchain analytics firm, depicts that around $1.2 billion worth of Bitcoin have left Coinbase last week. Meanwhile, BTC prices have seen a marginal rise of 1% in the last 7 days. 31,130 BTC leaves Coinbase. The market insight report issued by Glassnode illustrates that Bitcoin has been riding between the price range of $37,274 and $42,455 in the past week. During this period, 31,130 BTC, $1.18 billion, has left Coinbase. This has been the biggest net outflow reported since 28 July 2017. However, this is also a signal representing that investors see BTC as decreasing the costs to those who participate, she added. Subsequently, another $10 million will go to projects that can build strong developer tools for Algorand, such as compilers, Algorand Foundation CEO Stacey Warden told CoinDesk in an interview Thursday. Meanwhile, Algorand Foundation's native digital token, Algorand, ALGO United States $-1.1%, is off slightly in the past 24 hours, as Bitcoin, BTC United States $-1.5%, and Ethereum, at the United States $-3.3%, drift lower. Previously, December 30, 2021, Algorand said it will distribute 2 ALGO to drive DeFi adoption. $0.496. The RSI saw a sharp plunge from the overbought mark and headed towards its equilibrium, thus revealing a slightly decreasing bearish figure. The next news: Algorand Foundation introduces $10 million grant program to deliver Ethereum compatibility. The Algorand Foundation is setting up a $10 million super grant to be rewarded among teams that accelerate the work needed to deliver Ethereum at the United States dollar virtual machine (EVM) compatibility, according to a release dated February 17. Algorand Supergrant is a grant program that targets experienced research and development teams to research or build secure solutions for the Algorand ecosystem. And EVM compatibility refers to decentralized applications that are built on ETH. The RSI stayed above neutral 50 for the most part to indicate an uptrend in progress. The OBV also showed steady buying volume to point toward a rally driven by demand. The next news today about why LimeWire chose Algorand for its comeback. Popular peer-to-peer file sharing service LimeWire will make a comeback on the blockchain. Per press release, the platform will relaunch as a non-fungible token, NFT, marketplace running on Algorand. LimeWire has selected this network, the release claims, due to Algorand's alleged energy consumption levels, which make them the blockchain of choice for energy-efficient NFT marketplaces. The network will provide with a scalable platform with low-cost transactions and an Ethereum Polygon bridge. As LimeWire previously reported, the platform will support its marketplace with its own native token called LMWR. In addition to the capacity to transact with LimeWire NFTs, itself up from the $21 mark of its January lows, BTC has managed to find a traversing range in the $24-$30 zone for the past 2 weeks. After recently testing its floor, the alt has been steeply upturned in a rising wedge, white, on its 4-hour chart. Consequently, the bulls finally flipped the EMA ribbons in their favor after a nearly 28% ROI in just the last 6 days. From here on, the 20 EMA would be a vital support for the buyers to defend for preventing a pattern breakout. At press time, BTC was trading at $29.85. The RSI exhibited a bullish inclination after a week-long recovery. Now, it aimed to test the 52 to 56 range before a possible revival in the near term. Next, Asia Infinity, Axis. As the bears took over from the $65 level, Axis lost crucial price points in the last 20 days. The alt lost over 40% of its value since 7 February, as it headed south to touch its 6-month low on 24 February. Due to this, it fell below its 20 to 50 to 200 small will retest and will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2024 is bullish. ALGO is expected to reach a maximum rate of $2.72 by the end of 2024, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Algorand will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of ALGO will be between $2.28 and $2.36 expected in 2024 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of ALGO ranges from $2.28 to $2.72 for 2024. Algorand price prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Algorand could cross $3.99 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around $3.53. ALGO price prediction 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Algorand will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2026, ALGO is expected to peak at $5.88. The minimum bet could rise to $5.14 if the market turns bullish. ALGO price forecast 2027. For a long-term forecast of the Algorand price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of ALGO will rise to around $7.67 by 2027 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2027, the year may end with a maximum price of $8.93 with a minimum price level $7.41. Algorand price prediction 2028. Algorand's current price range may be of interest to many traders,